Welcome back to FSA Entertainment. I'm with Anirudh Rana, an aspiring veterinary doctor. Good afternoon, Anirudh. How are you?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Anirudh, in this video, we're going to talk about 5 things people probably didn't know about horses.
Yeah, sure.
Right? Since you are an aspiring doctor,
Yes.
I'm sure you know a lot of things that we probably don't know. So, where shall we begin? Number 1.
So number one, the thing that probably people don't know about horses cannot vomit.
Horses cannot throw up.
Cannot vomit.
Okay.
So MSS in horses is restricted. So that's due to some anatomical changes in the body of the horse, you can say.
Mm-hmm.
And I would like to tell the reason behind that.
Uh-huh.
A horse is a sporty animal. So when they are in the wild, when they are in the forest and when they are in the wild, so probably they have to run from their predators. So that's why a horse is having a much larger intestine
Okay.
as compared to other animals, and a bit small stomach as compared to the other animals. So while they are running in the wild, they are running from the predators. So the large amount of intestine, it creates a impact on the organs, on the visceral organs.
Okay.
So that's why if a horse is full, for example, if a horse is full and he's in the wild, and for example he came into a situation when he have to run from the predators. So in that case, if its stomach, its intestine is full, it will create a much larger force on the stomach.
Okay.
And if the stomach is full at that time, the horse can easily vomit. While the horse is running away from the his enemies or his predator, you can say. So that's an anatomical change, you can say, that nature has made horse differently. That's why a horse cannot vomit.
Okay. So the first thing is horses generally cannot vomit.
Yes.
The second one.
The second one, as I've discussed this before, a horse is an athletic animal.
Okay.
So they have comparatively larger lungs. So as we all know, we need a lot of intake, air intake. If you want to see some nice athletes, if you will see some athletes, when a person is going into some strenuous exercises, so the breath rate, the respiration rate of that person or that animal will gradually go up.
Okay.
That's cause of the more requirement of the air and oxygen to the body. That's the reason behind that. And the horse has very big nostrils. So that's second interesting fact.
So what you're saying is
Horses only can breathe
only with their
nostrils.
they cannot breathe with their mouth.
No.
Okay.
So that's the second fact. And third, I would like to tell about the eyes of the horse. If you'll talk about domestic animals, horse is having biggest eyes, you can say.
Okay.
As if we compare it to other domestic animals, horse is having biggest eyes.
Okay. And what about their vision?
Yes, a horse is having you can say, two kind of vision: a monocular vision and a binocular vision. Binocular, we usually say it if it's seen with the combination of both eyes.
Okay.
And monocular vision is, we can refer it to the vision of single eye.
Okay.
So if we try to see, this vision is monocular vision,
Okay.
and the vision in the front of the horse, this vision, it's the binocular vision of the horse.
Okay.
So this side the monocular vision, that side also the monocular
So when
vision.
you're talking about monocular vision, which means this side of the eye, you
Huh.
can see what is behind.
Yes.
From this, coming behind from this.
His
side.
his right eye can see
Okay.
this vision,
Okay.
and the left one can see that one.
The one.
And with the combination of both the eyes, it's called a binocular vision,
Okay.
the front vision.
Okay.
Approximately a horse can see up to 360 degrees,
Okay.
but Now, approximately, it's not complete.
Not completely.
Yes.
Barring the back area.
There are 2 points where the horse cannot see. The hind region, behind the hind quarters,
Right.
and a point in front of his eyes, here.
Okay.
So that's why people say you should not reach a horse from the back. That's the main reason. If a horse is not aware about who is coming from the back, so that's why a horse may probably kick.
They probably kick. Okay.
That's the reason behind that. Other thing, I would like to say that horses do not have a gallbladder.
I'm sorry. A what?
Horses do not have a gallbladder.
Okay.
I think so. People know what a gallbladder is. It's an organ in our body, which plays a role for the metabolism of the fats.
Okay.
So that's the thing. Because horses have horses are monogastric animals. Monogastric means they are having a single stomach.
Okay.
Like humans are having a single stomach. So they can have a number of meals, a number of times, but not a huge amount of food at a single time. So horses lack gallbladder.
Okay. The fifth one.
Fifth one,
I heard that are they colorblind, or they're not?
horses? No.
They're probably not seeing the same colors that we see, right? The hues are different. That's
Yes,
what I
yes,
read, right?
that can be a case.
Okay. The red and the greens that we see, probably they see it in a different hue. Is that correct? Okay. The horses, do they sit?
What? Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Sure. So, as I've talked about earlier, the sitting thing. Horses do sit.
They do sit.
Yes, but another there's a scientific reason behind that. If we talk about, we have a bone, the chest bone here, who's connecting the bone that's connecting the rib with each other. It's called the sternum bone.
Okay.
So horses are having a sternum bone right here, right in the middle,
Okay.
here. So that bone, it's particularly a shape of a boat.
Okay.
So it's pointed from downwards. So that's why if a horse is sitting, a horse can lie on the ground, but a horse cannot sit like a cattle or a buffalo.
So if they have
That's-
to
that's the
sleep,
problem.
do they have to lie down or they can stand and sleep?
They can stand and sleep. So that's the thing. This bone is pointed here. So when they are sitting on their chest, so it pinches them.
Right.
That's the scientific thing behind that.
So these are very interesting facts that Anirudh Rana shared with us. If you want to know a little bit more, you can always connect with Anirudh. Anirudh has an Instagram profile.
Yes.
And his profile ID, if I understand, if I remember, Anirudh R007, right? And he's a very good horse rider and a student as well, and an aspiring doctor, veterinary doctor.
Yes, and you can say an aspiring
Before
vet.
we wrap up the video, could you take us through the horse?
Yes. He's a lovely colt, 11 months old colt.
This is Nukra, right?
Yes, it's a Nukra. It's not a registered breed. Like under the you can say breed association. It's not a registered breed, but yes, people named it a Nukra.
Okay.
Actually, this breed was obtained from selective breeding over like 50 years or more, even more than that. So they've done the selective breeding. So they've selected this white color.
Marwari horse, right? Except for the color.
Yes, he's beautiful. His ears are also pointed. It looks like a Marwadi horse, but it's not a Marwadi horse.
So Nukras are not Marwadis, according to you?
No. According to me, it's not.
It's not. Okay.
So Nukra is a whole
Are they
different
albino?
thing. Huh?
Are they albino?
Albino, you can say the color. You can say
Color.
yes, albino.
They're not color blind, right?
No.
They're not color blind. Okay. So by skin color, pura safed hota hai. They're all white.
Yes,
So that's a pure Nukra.
yes.
Okay.
You will not find any Nukra horse who is like not having any. You can say the people call it fulkari, the black spots. So you will not find any horse that's lacking Huh. There would be little fine spots, but no horse would be there.
No horse would be completely spotless, is
Yes.
what you're saying. But I don't see any spot here on this horse. This looks absolutely
You can see a little bit
full white.
in the ears and in the inguinal region.
okay. On the face, I can see a bit,
Yes. So,
but that's negligible.
that's negligible.
Okay. So 11-month old, right?
11-month old.
11-month old, and what is the name?
Name Luca.
Luca. Okay. It's from, I understand, the Abohar bloodline.
I don't know about the bloodlines. I just know about the horse,
Okay.
and
don't know
I don't really care about these lines.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
My main focus is on the horse.
ठीक है. When this horse will be fit for riding? At what age?
It's different from if you'll ask about the thoroughbreds. 2-year-olds they get into the derby
Okay.
for racing. So by the age of 2 years, they are fit for. They are used for the derby.
Okay.
But in the case of these indigenous breeds, we can say at least 3 years you should leave a horse.
Okay. Only then they'll be fit for riding.
After that you can gradually adapt a horse for riding.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you so much for sharing. So these were 5 interesting facts that probably you didn't know
Yes.
about horses. Thank you so much, Anirudh. And
Thank you.
we'll move on to the next video and make that
Sure.
more interesting as well. Thank you.
Thank you.